I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure your Jio 5G SIM is active and physically seated because a loose card kills signal. Next, switch your network mode to 5G or NR in mobile network settings so the radio will search correctly. Once done, check for and install carrier and system updates. These often include band and provisioning fixes. Restart the phone after updates to force a fresh network attach, and watch the status icons as the device negotiates with the tower. You now handle the middle, deeper steps. Open access point names and confirm the APN matches Jio's profile, because an incorrect APN can block data even when you see 5G. Then verify your phone allows the necessary 5G bands and the preferred network is set to allow 5G NSA or SA. Phones may default to LTE only. Once adjusted, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to force the modem to reattach and pick the correct cell and band mappings from the operator. You finish by validating and troubleshooting. Run a speed test and a diagnostics app to capture the connected band, RSRP, and registration status, so you know whether the problem is coverage, provisioning, or the handset. If results are inconsistent, try the Jio SIM in another confirmed 5G phone to isolate whether the issue is the device. If it persists, contact Jio support and provide IMEI, SIM ICSID, and your diagnostic logs. This lets the operator check provisioning and tower side issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.